Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of tall glam contemporary candle holders. So what you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap, and this is from Efavormart. You will also need some of these teardrop pendants from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. I also have some of this bling wrap in silver. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these clear bud vases. You'll need 1 pack of these Tealight holders. They come in a pack of 2. You're going to need a large piece of foam board. And I have some peel and stick gemstones here that I picked up at Walmart. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I will be using hot glue on my project, but if you're going to be using this project extensively, or you'd like it to have a more lasting or permanent feel, you would probably need to use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these tall contemporary candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.